Hello everybody, it's Jamie here and welcome to Premier Inn West Quay, Southampton, the cruise capital of the UK. Oh yes it is. It is pre-cruise day. Yes, we are travelling on P&O Ventura tomorrow, heading for Portugal, Spain and France. We're taking my mum and sister their first ever cruise, and you know we've done like 60 cruises and it's their first one, so it's going to be awesome. Make sure you are following for that adventure. However, in the meantime, let's check out the Premier Inn West Quay, see what this location is all about, what it has to offer, and how close it is to the cruise terminals. Come with me. Premier Inn West Quay, Southampton is located in the heart of the city. A taxi ride to any of the 5 cruise terminals in the area is going to take you no more than 5 minutes. City Cruise Terminal is actually within walking distance. Alright, this is the reception area. To the left, that's where you've got the Time restaurant and bar. And the check-in is straight ahead, and the lifts and vending machines over to the right. You've got to do your own check-in here at the Premier Inn, folks. I know, right? It's pretty straightforward though. You just click check-in here. You enter either your booking reference, surname, postcode, ask for a few details, and then you take one of these cards, place it here, activates your key card, and lo and behold, you are good to go. Alrighty, we are room 222. Thank goodness for that. It's easy to remember. You know what my brain's like. And as we come in, we've got a mirror here. It's a decent size. Not floor to ceiling, but will certainly suffice. And then on the right hand side as we come in, we've got another mirror, or like a vanity area for those of you who are vain. Below the vanity area, can I call it that? There is a hairdryer. You know what's coming next, don't you? Hairdryer test. Let's see how powerful this is for y'all. You all ready for this? Ooh, bit weak that one, isn't it? Sorry everybody. So next to the vanity area, we have some hanging space here. We've got an extra duvet and pillows up here, some shelving. Oh, look, we've got amenities. You know I love amenities. Oh gosh, not many though. Look at that. Like, we're gonna have 1 coffee each. Kettle, some glasses, mugs. We've got another shelf here, and below we've got the waste paper bin because everyone wants to see that. We also have a drawer, quite good size that one, and another shelf here with a spare towel. Okay, and as we come into the main bedroom area, oh, a lovely splash of colour. Who doesn't love a splash of colour? And now Premier Inn beds are well renowned, aren't they, for being super comfortable. In fact, I know people who have bought the mattresses. I'll let you know how we get on. That sounds dodgy, doesn't it? I'll let you know how comfortable the bed is in the morning though. Right over here, we've got a table, chair. Obviously, I'm going to do all my work there. Not, oh, look, USB ports. We love that. And UK sockets, 3 of them here. Do not smoke or vape. It is not allowed. You will be thrown into prison and the key thrown away. TV on the wall, not a bad size. Directly to the left, we have our chaise longue. I've never found these very comfortable, to be honest with you. Oh, it's a bit springy, folks. I mean, if you like a bit of a spring in your step, you're all right, no problem. We've got a very small bedside table and a UK socket below. There isn't one on the other side. So if there's 2 of you and you both like charging your phones in unison, well, you're going to be in for a sorry surprise. It ain't going to happen. Behold, everybody. Look, we've got some space under the bed. It's not actually a great deal of space, as you can see, so if you've got some fat luggage, it ain't going to fit there. It'd be like squeezing sausage meat into a skin, I'm afraid. The view from the Premier Inn West Quay. Let's have a little peep. Oh, you know what I can see? Well, this is quite exciting actually. That's West Quay Shopping Centre over there, and I can see a Five Guys. Oh yes. In all seriousness though, folks, look how close you are to the main shopping area. There's loads of restaurants and bars just around the side of this as well. And the city centre is probably about a 6-7 minute walk that way. Good location, I'd say, don't you? Thank you, Jesus, for the Mitsubishi electric thermostat. You know I love Arctic conditions. Okay, let's have a look at the bathroom, because you all want to know what the loo is like, don't you? And whether you'll get those cheeks on them or not. Well, that's funny. The actual toilet paper holder looks bigger than the toilet itself. I think we're going to be all right with that one. We've got a bin down here, some shelving over here, sink basin. Oh, gentle soap as opposed to hard soap. Let's have a little look and a little smell. Oh, it doesn't smell of anything. We've got hair and body gel over here. Bathtub, if you are so inclined, although obviously I will be having a gorgeous shower. That looks like a tiny shower head look. Hopefully that's got a bit of power behind it and warmth. Couple towels here. Not very soft or fluffy. Well, that's tiny. You wouldn't even be able to wipe your foot on that, would you? Never judge a tiny head by its cover. Is that even an expression? Not bad, powerful shower there, actually. Oh, sugar, I'm getting it all over me. Oh my God. Whoops. Sorry, everybody. Oh dear, not doing a very good job of this vlog, am I? You're good. Behold the choice of rooms at the Premier Inn. We've got a standard double, standard twin, family, and standard accessible. Wi-Fi comes as standard at the Premier Inn, but you can upgrade to ultimate Wi-Fi, which is 8 times faster and £5 for 24 hours. So that's the room, 222. Not really anything to write home about. Does anybody even write home anymore? I have no idea. I mean, it's functional, isn't it? It's not a bad size. It's £100 for 2 of us tonight, and it's quite busy here because there are a lot of cruise ships in Southampton arriving tomorrow morning. However, normally you can get a room here for roughly about £65 to £80, so not too bad in terms of value. Anyway, let's have a look around the rest of this hotel and see what it has to offer. Just inside reception now, we've got vending machines, crisps, nuts, chocolate bars. Oh, we've got all sorts of drinks here. Is there any booze? Can't see any booze. No. A bit of Ben & Jerry's as well if you fancy some ice cream. Little treat. Just to the left of reception, you've got Time Restaurant and Bar. This is the bar area, as you can see. Oh, look, a tiny dinky little bar. And there's even little children's seats there and tables. And then around here, look, you have your restaurant, which is open for breakfast and dinner as well. We're not going to be eating here, actually, sorry to say, because we're off for some Greek food. But good size. Okay, so there are a lot of dining options in the vicinity. However, if you want to eat on site at Time Restaurant, here's a quick peep at some of the items that you can enjoy on the menu. We find the breakfast at the Premier Inn to be good value. For £9.50, you can stuff your face with as much food and drink as you want. Morning, everybody. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Never sleep very well before going on a cruise. Anyway, I said I'd tell you how comfy or not this Hypnose bed is. Well, I think it is a good mattress, definitely. It's got a topper and everything like that. But, you know, I think I could sleep on a concrete floor as well, so I'm probably not the best person to ask. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, nice. Good to know. Check-in at the Premier Inn is from 3 p.m. and check-out is at 12 p.m. For an extra £10, you can check in early from 11 a.m. Another £10 will get you a late check-out at 2 p.m. Parking is available at the multi-storey car park adjacent to the hotel. And there you have the reliable, trustworthy, not too many frills Premier Inn, West Quay, Southampton. On average, other hotels in the locality were going for about £70 more. So from that point of view, good value. But what do you think? Drop your comments below and I'll get back to you. In the meantime, don't forget to follow Travel Blog Jamie on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.